Hi, it's another terrific day in Coto de Caza, Southern California. This is January 20th. Got our beautiful weather. And today I'm at our Coto demonstration garden. I've got a new plant to show you. This is a crepe myrtle, I believe. He's dormant. Here's our coast live oak tree, Quercus agrifolia. The plant I'm going to show you today is over here. This here is our trailing rosemary. It's starting to bloom. Attracts a lot of bees. This plant here, there's actually 5 plants kind of bunched together here. This guy's called a Baja Fairy Duster, Calliandra californica. And he comes to us from the sandy washes, the flats, the hillsides of Baja California. So he's described as an evergreen perennial. He's thornless, woody shrub, grows about 3 to 4 feet tall, sometimes even 6 feet tall. Flowers here, like little powder puffs. And he's great for your border, your foregrounds. Also has an island accent in your garden, even in a little pot or container. So take a look at the stems here at the bottom. So it grows out of the base. We've got little multi-stems. They're thornless. They're very smooth. And they start out all kind of tangly and crisscrossy. It'll grow about 3 feet tall. These branches here will extend outward another 6 feet. So it's kind of low to the ground and very wide. And the leaves here, they kind of fern-like. See that? And they're dark green. They're kind of bipinnate leaves. And these leaves here, they'll close up at nighttime. See this guy here? He's starting to close up. I'll show you. See, these guys are closing up because it's getting kind of later in the day. And this guy here, he's still open. Really, really tiny leaves, but really green. The flowers here, so it usually flowers from winter to spring, but sometimes it'll flower in fall after it rains. And some of the cultivars, they bloom all year round. It starts out here. These are the flower buds before they bloom, little round guys. And each one of these will open up and then throw out stamens. These are all individual stamens. And at the end, we have the anther and the pollen just at the end there. So it's pretty cool looking little flower buds on this plant. Okay, and it's great at attracting bees, hummingbirds, and butterflies. And is host to a butterfly called the marine blue butterfly. The seed pods, I'll pull one off here. Here's a seed pod. Looks like a pea pod. Okay, well, this comes from the Fabaceae family, which is the legume family, just like our peas and our soybeans, even our acacias. So basically it's a pea pod. He's flat, about 2 inches long. And when he ripens, this pod or legume, it'll explode and send out the seeds. And some of these plants, the seed pods here we go. See this? They'll stay on this plant for quite some time after it explodes. Here we have one here. See that right there? We got more seed pods here and here. And here we have more pretty flowers. Wow. So to propagate this, well, you can just take the seeds and plant them, and that'll grow real nicely for you. You can also take cuttings, put in a little, root hormone, put it in a pot. That should grow for you. And to grow this at home, a couple things. It likes to grow in the full sun, but it will grow in the shade. It can tolerate to 22 degrees Fahrenheit. And once you establish it, it's basically water-free, super drought-tolerant. In fact, it only needs about 10 inches of water per year to survive. But if you give it more water during blooming season, you get more blooms. So Either way, whatever works for you. Look at the stamens, those little anthers with the pollen on the end. Wow. All right, and to prune this, we'll prune it in late spring, but make sure you use hand pruners. And do this very carefully, individually, to shape it. Take out any dead stuff and just prune it back. Don't use big shears or any motorized equipment. Just use hand pruners to take care of this guy. Look at that beautiful little flower here. All right. Well, there you go. This is our Baja Fairy Duster, Calliandra californica, out in Coto de Caza at a little demonstration garden. Well, hope you liked that video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.